Imagine a world where you can send money across the globe in seconds, where your identity can't be stolen, and where you control your data, not big corporations. That world is being built with blockchain technology. But how exactly is it changing our lives today? Let's break it down. Welcome to SAVVYCHAIN, where we break down blockchain in simple terms. If you're curious about how this technology is actually being used today, stick with me till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's start with the most obvious: money. Blockchain is transforming finance through cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But beyond that, we have something called DeFi, decentralized finance. It allows people to lend, borrow, and earn interest without a bank. No paperwork, no middlemen, just smart contracts doing the work automatically. Next up, supply chains. Think of the food you eat or the clothes you wear. With blockchain, companies like Walmart can track every step of a product's journey. This helps prevent fraud, improve safety, and ensure transparency. You can literally scan a product and see where it's been. Now imagine having your identity stolen. Scary, right? Blockchain allows for self-sovereign identity, meaning you own and control your digital ID. You decide who sees what and when. That's a game changer in a world full of data breaches. What if voting could be tamper-proof? Some governments are exploring blockchain-based voting systems that are secure, transparent, and immune to manipulation. This could restore trust in democracy, especially in places where elections are often questioned. And yes, NFTs aren't just monkey pictures. Artists, musicians, and creators are using blockchain to sell digital art and get paid without giving up ownership or relying on platforms that take large fees. Ownership and royalties are coded into the blockchain. Blockchain isn't just about tech, it's about freedom, transparency, and control. It's a tool that empowers people like you and me. Don't be left behind. Learn it, master it, and build your future with it. Subscribe to SAVVYCHAIN, where we simplify the future.